Good morning, everybody. So I just wanted to show you real quick how easy this is to create a play set. So in once you've signed into Gimkits, you'll have different things here: kits, assignments, create classes, news, kit collab. This is when the kids can add questions or vocab words to create a kit. You can set everything here in folders, make that easy. It's very similar to Quizlet. So here I am. I'm here. I want a new kit. All right, here's the name of my new kit is Chancho y la Gallina, Spanish World Languages. Now I'm going to hit next. And we're on hold. Okay. So it says to pick a cover folder. You could do, let's see, Chancho. Will it come up with a picture? No. How about a pig? Oh, there we go. So we'll just take a little picture of a pig. So, and then now I'm going to add. You can add questions from the story if you want to do. You can create flashcards, continue kit load, add from question, but import from spreadsheet. So I'm actually going to let's try create flashcards. All right, import flashcards. This is where it gets easy. So Quizlet, let's say I've got a bunch done. Oh, look at that. I already have El Chancho y la Gallina set up. So I'm going to go into my sets. Where are my sets? My recent. Here we go. I'll set it though. Oops, I gotta change the name, don't I? That's fine. I'll change the name. Let's see. Can I edit this? I forgot we made it El Chancho. There we go. El Chancho and la Gallina. Okay. So that's done. That was a big segue. Sorry. Now down here you have some different icons. One of them here, let's see, is export. So I'm going to click export. All right, I don't think I've actually changed anything, so I shouldn't have to. I'm going to write copy text. Click on copy text. That copies everything I have already set up. Then I'm going to go back here to my Gimkit creator, import flashcards, paste, create, and I'm done. Finish the kit. You're all set to go. You can create it just right in here in Gimkit, or you can just pull them over. It is ready to play, and it is ready to assign. I have not. I did name my class, but I haven't entered. I have to enter my students. To enter that, I would just click on I would give them the copy link to invite those students, and we'll get that all set up, but I'm still working on that part. All right, that's it for today. Just how do you get it created? If you just want to run the game, you can go to your kit, you can hit play live, and then it will set it up. Kids really, really dig it. Classic, they complete individually, which is great for being at home. Team mode, I'm assuming you could set up some groups if you wanted to and let them work a group. You could set up a time. You could set up a race, as in they all had to get to a certain amount of money. All in. All players trying to earn as much money as they can, but the game ends when the collective has reached a total. So you can set a collective for the whole group that are playing. Class, I'm going to enter class names. Kids have to use the names that I put in to play. Starting cash, handicap, answer checker, so this shows them the correct answers. I like that one because that way, especially my kids that are maybe didn't get a chance to play Quizlet and study the words, have some time to get in here and get to see the answers, and they keep coming back up. Power ups, themes, cleanups. Only allow power ups that don't hurt other players. Depends on the class. Sometimes they get a little really competitive. You get a whole lot of boys in a group. You might want to use some of those cleanup power ups. Sometimes you, in the beginning, just leave that off. Up to you. Kids really liked it. Once we started playing this last year, if I gave them a choice, you want to do Quizlet Live or you want to do Gimkit, Gimkit won out hands down by all the kids